this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your display or skin of your phone in your WhatsApp Messenger. Obviously, this one will be in iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro or Pro Max. Only this possible in iOS. Go to WhatsApp to the person you want to call and share your screen. Call that person, for example. Here, see at the top, call button. I call this one. Okay, I'm calling. You have to read this option at the bottom here, this one, and you have to wait few seconds. So you can share anything. I put here, for example, I can go out. So my display of iPhone appear in Samsung. So I hit here hostess or setting. You can see there too. So you can show or share your screen in WhatsApp from iPhone 15 to any other phone. So this is the way you can share your screen in WhatsApp Messenger and iPhone 15. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.